You're Piggy.
So this is a video of the least annoying sound in the world.
I think he'll drink his water.
I wasn't thinking that it was him drinking water, but we'll go with that.
Once again, he's coming from his walk.
Yeah, another walk, another tired dog. We should learn to let him do these tricks before we take him on a walk.
He's got drools coming from the side of his face.
Max, get your pig. Or attack the camera.
Hey, look. Max, get the pig.
Oh, not so aggressive, dear. You're scaring him with it. Hey.
Get him. Get that baby.
Right. You're attacking it so well. We'll come back in a moment when he decides to start playing with it. Okay. I can tell he's uber tired.
He wants to sleep.
Yeah. Max. What you doing? What you doing? Hey? Yeah, pointing at it's really going to grab his attention. He's a dog. No, guess not. We'll have to come back.
Get him. Reach for them, buddy. Not my shoes. You gotta reach for Piggy. Piggy's behind you. Ow! You're digging your nails. There's Piggy. No, it's you.
You know, your video friends here would like you to look at them instead of looking away.
That way.
Max.
Look at your public.
Your pig's in distress. You're laying on your pig, I can tell. You're not chewing. You're cheating.
He's chewing his nose a little bit, where he's laying mostly.
See, he's part lizard, because only lizards can twist like that.
This is Velociraptor. Showing off your body parts?
Yeah. This is a video of the least annoying sound in the world.